Hello, my name is Neil, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch your Mac OS into dark mode. So the first thing you'd want to do is go to this little Apple icon in the top left, and you'd first want to check for About This Mac. So you click that, and you have to make sure that your Mac OS is Mac OS Mojave. I'm currently running version 10.14.1, but the main part is that you're running Mac OS Mojave. If you're running Mac OS High Sierra, you'd want to check to get an update. After you've done that, you can just exit of that and go back up into the Apple button and click System Preferences. Once you've clicked System Preferences, go to General, and then you'll see in the field here, Appearance, you'll get a selection of light and dark. So if you click dark, it'll change everything, and you can exit of that. And now your MacBook is in dark mode, which looks a lot better than light. And as you can see, the Finder menu is turned to dark. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.